So I have 4, 5, 6 containers left from last week. So that would be 3 days. And before I even knew I had that, I have 1, 2, 3, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, which is 3.5 days of ground beef. And I did season it this time. I've got a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt, a little garlic salt, a little onion powder, a little Greek seasoning in there, and some regular salt in there. So I've got, let's say, 3.5 days of this. I've got some over here. Sorry, don't look in my trash can. This got some chicken going, some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I put on there some Lowry seasoning salt, and I think some regular salt. I added that to it. And over here, I called our processing plant and got me 2 untrimmed briskets. So this is half of one of them. So I'm trying to give you different angles. It's probably about that thick. And then I had to smush, let me get that. That's probably about 3 inches thick. And then I smushed it down into here. Let me see if I can. I told them don't trim off the fat. So, yeah. So I put in some into my thing here. I have some, let's see what I seasoned her with. I seasoned it with some Lowry seasoning salt, because the place I get my place I buy my pulled pork uses they smoke it. Well, I don't have a smoker, so I was like, well, that give it a smoked flavor. So Lowry seasoning salt, some liquid smoke, and some salt. I don't think I put any garlic, onion, or garlic or onion powder on it, or pepper. Oh, I also put some white pepper on here. So this was garlic and onion powder, salt, white pepper. I love the taste of white pepper. Man, I've been kind of getting addicted to it this past week. But anyway, so what is it? Brisket. So I will be having ground beef, brisket, and chicken this week. Just adding some chicken. I'm cleaning out my freezer a little bit. I'm like, you know what? Use that up. Okay, so this past week I have lost 2 pounds, 1.5 pounds, something like that. Let's see if I don't remember the little tail numbers, the point something number. So, yeah, about 1.5 pounds. I'll just say it that way. So, about 1.5 pounds I've lost this past week. What I did differently was I added the rendered fat to my meat. Absolutely no dairy products, milk products. And I added 3 eggs to my morning 5 slices of bacon. And that's what I've been doing, and that's the outcome so far. So, yeah. So we will see. I'm going to, I'll add the eggs again this week and fry up my bacon later. It's 7:49 in the morning, so I have not had my breakfast, but I'll eat one of those ground beefs. I'll season it kind of mildly so it's not so bold in my mouth. Like in the mornings, I just like something kind of bland. So yeah, that's what I'm going to eat for breakfast, is some mild ground beef. And yeah, that's my game plan. What I've done is every morning when I get up, I feed the dogs, and while they're eating, that's when I fry up the 3 eggs. and then I put in a container and I take it with me. And like I said, that seems to be working. Then I eat the ground beef around 12, 12:30, 1, depends on where my mouth is at and where my head's at and what's going on, if I have any meetings coming up. And then my supper, the ground beef, again, is usually about 5:30ish. So, yeah. So, you can hear my squeaky floor under me. It's always squeaky, right? Right there. So, I bet you it's in front of the sink. Boy, my cabinets are dirty. Don't look. Well, they're not dirty. They're just stained. This is this color and everything. That's an old house, and so everything was stained when I moved in. And the paint they use, it's like this glossy paint, and so I don't really know how to paint over that. So, but anyway, yeah. So that's the game plan this week. I'll show you whenever everything's done, the brisket, the ground beef, and the chicken. And we'll see how things go. So I got my 7 containers of ground beef. Looks just like it does every week. And my chicken's done. What I did was I put the, I had added probably about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease to it just to get it some added fat. So along with some little bit of water. So that is, I think I had 6 turkey or chicken thighs. So it'll be 3 and 3 in each. Again, I don't measure for calorie sake, but I do measure for consistency. So that one's about a pound. Yeah, those are both about the same. So then let me open my refrigerator. I will put one in the freezer. Oh, sorry, you're getting moved around here. I'll put one in the freezer and one in the fridge, and then I can decide what I want to do, when I want to eat the second one, if I want to eat the second one this week, next week, whatever. So I am still working on, let's see, it's noon. Still working on my brisket. I'm not really sure how to tell when a brisket's done. So I'm going to do a little research and see what I find out. Okay, so they say 12 hours. I put this on at 8 this morning. I went ahead and cut it in half just to see. And you can see that that's still bloody. So it has been 4 hours. So I'm putting it right back in there. And there we go. So in 8 more hours, I will check it and see what we got. The beef brisket is done. I'm not good at making good pictures and all that fancy stuff. So what I did was when I took it out, I left it in one piece. Well, it was 2 pieces because I cut it in half to fit in the crock pot. I laid it on, I'm just giving you different angles to see. So it ended up cooking about 8 hours, and that's a good doneness for me. Some are a little more pink than others, not a lot. But anyway, there was plenty of juice inside. It just made 3 containers. I need some smaller ones, but like that much in them. There's about a pound. I weighed them all out. All 3, it made 3, a pound. I did not add liquid, so the liquid that's in there is rendered fat. I'm adding it to it, so it will keep it, keep me full. So that's how that ended up. Oh, so anyway, so after it was done crock potting, I put it on a cookie sheet. I had lined it with foil going this way and this way. and put it in broil for about 5 minutes. And that's how it got that crispy top part right there. It's not crispy because it's down in the liquid, but that's how it got crispy. So then I put it on broil for about 5 minutes. And no, I think it was 4 minutes. 4.5 minutes. And let it rest for a little bit. And then I sliced it up and put it in these containers. So I have 3 more briskets. I'm excited. So I'll make those as time goes on too. But anyway, so one of those briskets, hang on, I'm going to show you what it looked like, the size before it was. So here is how one brisket, this is one untrimmed brisket right here. And she cut it in half, which I think, yeah. So that made this one and then the one that I already cooked. So this is the size. I don't think it's weighed. Is there a weight on there? No, I don't see a weight. It just says brisket. So this is the size of how it, you know, what the size it was when I put it in the crock pot. Just to kind of give you an idea. So I guess that was about 3 pounds. I don't know. Around there anyway. So, so now, let's see if this, this isn't going to close. Something's sticking up. Got to rearrange something. But yeah, so that is how it was before it went in. Let's see. Nope, I'm going to work on that. You don't have to watch me. Anyway, yeah, that was the brisket, and these guys are watching because they're hungry, and it's their time to eat. So I'm going to go on and get off here, and now you know what I'm going to have for supper. Forgot to tell you, I'll let you be entertained while I'm talking because I'm feeding the wild ones. I had the chicken for lunch. It was good stuff. I drank the broth, which was a mix of water and bacon, a couple tablespoons of bacon fat, and that was around noonish, and it's 4:30. Hi, sister. So so stayed in there. So I mean, I'm not hungry or anything. So yeah. So said chicken and that for lunch, and I'll have some brisket probably for supper. And now you're officially in the loop. Okay, well, these guys are gonna eat, and then I'm gonna, well, he's already done eating. He's always first to get done. The cat should be in here, but I don't know where he's at. He's ignoring me. So these guys may get to eat his bowl. I don't know, we'll see, but okay. Have a good Saturday from the Wild Crew. Okay, here. Kitty came in. Well, okay, I carried him in. I know, that's a great view of the cat, huh? Ken, he says, shut up. You drugged me in here so I could eat. Now let me eat. So there's the king of the house right there. He's the king. He's the, I don't know. He thinks he's the knight. He is the lover boy. She's the queen. And he is a court jester / princess. Yes, he is. So now they're going to eat, and then I'll eat.